video, I am going to show you how to fix blinking circle cursor issues on Windows. 1. Right-click on the Start icon and select Run from the context menu. In the Run dialog box, type in msconfig and then press Enter or click OK. Once you open the System Configuration tool, you'll see tabs labeled as General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. Click on the General tab, and under Startup selection, ensure that Normal Startup is selected. This option loads all devices, drivers, of services during startup. Click on Apply button to save the changes. If the Apply button is grayed out, click on any other tab, such as Boot, Services, and then return to the General tab to activate the Apply button. Click OK to close the System Configuration window. After that, restart your computer to apply the changes. After the computer restarts, check if the blinking circle cursor issue persists. If the issue is resolved, you should no longer see the blinking circle cursor. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. If the issue persists, it could be a problem with McAfee Web Advisor, so try to end that task and try again to see if the problem persists.